These 4 habits are killing your confidence, but here's how you can rebuild it. I know that there's times when we feel stuck, we feel like we lost our mojo, but I just gotta be real with you. Sometimes it's not always life's fault. Sometimes it's the habits that we've picked up that damage our self-esteem and our confidence. But we're gonna fix that. Today, I'm breaking down the 4 habits that men pick up that destroy their confidence. If you're trying to grow, get better, and become a better leader, hit that like button and subscribe. This is a space for real men ready to build real confidence. Habit number 1, negative self-talk. Let's start off with that voice in your head that tells you can't do something or something's too hard for you to get. And every time you let that voice go unchecked, it's bound to ruin your life. You need to be identifying who is that person, and you need to check that person as soon as he shows up. I'm not telling you to have false confidence, even though sometimes that's what you may need to get through something. I'm trying to tell you to kill the lies in your head. When you know something is true about yourself, when you get into a new job and you feel that imposter syndrome and you know that you can do the job and you've done it countless times before, that's when you need to kill those lies that's in your head telling you won't be successful. Habit number 2, scrolling through Instagram and seeing everybody's cars, seeing everybody's girl, seeing everybody's money, and comparing it directly to yourself. First of all, it is well known on Instagram and any other social media platform, no one is showing their failure. Almost everyone is showing their success. No one's showing their depression. So to compare yourself to another person's life when you know the only things on there is someone's highlights is deadly for your confidence. And since we know that, you have to have a different mentality. You have to think, what would it look like if I fully immersed myself in the thing that I want to do? Then do one small thing a day to be able to reach that goal. Bruh, confidence ain't built on watching other people. It's built on doing the inner work and making yourself better each and every day. Look, if this is hitting home for y'all, go ahead and drop that muscle emoji in the comments below. And tell me which habit you battling right now. And let's talk about habit number 3, avoiding discomfort. Men are just not built for comfort. It would be nice to be comfortable, and we want to work to be able to get to a place of comfort. But 9 times out of 10, unless you a Nepo baby, it's not happening for us right away. We have to work for comfort. Men are built for a challenge. But when you start dodging discomfort any chance you can, staying quiet, playing small, playing it safe, you're training your brain to believe you're not built for pressure. You need to pick something uncomfortable and do it on purpose. If you're not comfortable stirring up a conversation with a woman, trying to get their number, trying to holler at them, do it. Build the confidence. Yeah, I know they say the worst thing they can say is no, and sometimes that no can be very, very harsh. Trust me, I've gotten the harsh no. But you take that and you learn from it, and some people are just rude. You just got to chalk that up to, oh, she's just a rude person. I don't even think I want to deal with a woman like that anyway. Hit the gym, speak up, post that content that you want to post, apply for the job. Confidence comes from courage, not perfection. Habit number 4, over apologizing. That's something that I had to get over. You do not need to say sorry for just existing. A lot of men, especially those that grew up in survival mode, feel like they have to apologize for just taking up space. You got to swap your sorry for strength. Instead of saying, oh, I'm sorry I kept you waiting, thanks for waiting. I'm sorry I didn't get that done. No, I'll take care of that. You have to own your presence. Do not shrink it. If you're serious about becoming a stronger man mentally, emotionally, and spiritually, like this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Share it with someone you feel like needs to hear this. This is not just a video for you to make you feel better. It's a movement. It's something that we need to be sharing with our brothers so we can raise new strong men, because we're kind of struggling right now. In closing, here's what I know. Confidence doesn't just come from the world giving you praise. It comes from you keeping promises to yourself. One day, one habit at a time. Listen, bro, you're not broken. You just untrained. And I'm here to train with you. And as you keep watching and we keep having these conversations, we're going to grow together. Because I'm not all the way there. I'm not going to sit here and act like I'm the expert on everything. Some of these things I still have to work through, but we're going to get through them together. It's your little big brother Zeke. Till next time, y'all be safe.